Okay, so I decided to study Kafka, and I went on Udemy and found this course, Apache Kafka series by Stephane Maarek. Apparently this course is a bestseller, as you can see, very high average rating and 24,000 ratings, amazing numbers, and I really believe that this course would be great. But honestly, I purchased this course and started watching the videos, doing tutorials, and this course really did not meet my expectations. I'm totally disappointed with this course. Let me show you why. So here's the course. So I watched through all of these videos up until the part where we start doing the first big project, Kafka Twitter Producer Advanced Configuration, Chapter 9. Here in this particular video, Producer Part 1, when you actually start writing code, basically he's using the Java HTTP Twitter client. We want to use Kafka and stream some of the tweets from the from Twitter in real time, and his example is working, but this lecture was recorded in 2018. It is 2021 right now as I'm recording this video, and it's not working because this client has been deprecated on August 16, 2018. Right? So I actually, nonetheless, I start writing and following, writing my code and following along the code. So this is where it actually gets interesting. This is where it breaks down. When he imports this piece of code from the quick start page, as per the video, right, this part, it's supposed to work because he just does all of the imports, right, and this code magically starts working because it gets recognized, right? These libraries should be getting recognized, but they're not getting recognized. So I cannot import it, and it's not really working. And honestly, I don't know what to do. Just my quick 2 cents on the overall quality of the lectures. Overall quality of the lectures is really kind of bad. I didn't really understand because he's jumping from one place to another, not really fully explaining every single piece of detail, you know, every single little thing, not really explaining this. So I couldn't really follow along. I couldn't import them properly. As you can see in my IntelliJ ID, I cannot really import all of these things. They're not recognized, even though I have all of these dependencies. I have my Maven dependency. I follow it everything, like I follow it every single instruction, yet it's still not recognized, right? These libraries don't recognize it, so this lecture is not really usable. I cannot really follow along. I cannot code along, and honestly, I'm kind of disappointed. This is my honest review. So I decided to get the money back, but I cannot for some reason. So yeah, basically this course by Stephane Maarek, this bestseller course, it's so sloppily done, guys. I totally do not recommend. Do not buy this course. Just don't buy this course. It's not really that great. 7.5 hours. I don't know, guys. This course is so sloppily, so badly done. I don't know how he gets money for these courses. Don't buy this course.